Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and this video is coming out on Easter Sunday, so I just want to wish everybody a happy and safe Easter this year. I know it's different all over the world for everybody because of the pandemic, but we're going to get through this together, and I hope you and your family are safe no matter where you are. Just to let a couple folks know, some have asked, I am not in quarantine. I am quote-unquote essential, so I have to go to work every day. But outside of that, I'm taking the same precautions as everybody. I'm self-isolating when I am at home, which makes things a lot different because this time, usually I'm out in the RV, hanging out and exploring. So this year is going to be very different for me when it comes to RVing. That being said, I'm going to continue to share some content with you as long as possible. I have shot a lot of stuff from the past that I'm going to start sharing some more of, and we've got some new episodes coming up as well. So there's going to be lots of content for you to binge while you're at home, and I hope you enjoy all of the footage. I stumbled with the idea of whether or not I should continue to share the video, but I figured this is a great time to dream, to look at what we can all do once we get out of this pandemic. And can start exploring the world again. I am, of course, in the Green Bay, Northeast Wisconsin area, so I am going to get a chance to explore Wisconsin coming up, and I'm looking forward to that. But until then, lots of content coming your way, and it's going to start with a look back today at a park that I love so much in Florida. I will give you one teaser here. The next video, if you like cooking, if you like wings, if you like chefing it up, oh buddy, you're gonna like that one. But right now it's time to look back, revisit at one of my favorite state parks in all of Florida. Yeah, I think it's time. Let's get this one started. Oh yeah.
There's no place like Florida. There's no place like Florida. It's warm in Florida. Wait a second. If it's warm in Florida, how about we go revisit it? I'm down with it. Are you? Let's do this. Woo!
Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and I am back at a familiar place. This is Three Rivers State Park in Sneads, Florida. I was here about 3 years ago prior to Hurricane Michael and had a totally different experience. On the road to Three Rivers State Park. Going gourmet in the RV. And doubling down with swingers. You're so money and you don't even know it. Let's do this. Woo! The Three Rivers State Park is a really nice state park. It's small. Not a lot of campground spots, but they do have both RV spots and tent camping. The park itself, very clean. There is a bathhouse here and a check-in place for reservations. And then some nice trails along the water right here, and then up in the trees in the forest as well. There are a ton of these signs for alligators. I've never seen an alligator out when I've been hiking, but who knows, maybe I'll find one this time. They have 30 amp and 50 amp hookups, so that's easy for those who have different size vehicles. You can get in and out, very easy to park. The water pressure is really good. So this is a pretty good spot. So this place is in Sneads, which is about 45 minutes to an hour outside of Tallahassee, Eastern time zone. This actually in the Central time zone. So when I got here on Friday, I was here early, but no problem. They allowed me to come on in, set up my camp, and then I just had to go over and register a little bit later. So it was a great opportunity to get in here early and enjoy myself. So if you're looking for a great place to come, water, camping, hiking, everything, come to Three Rivers State Park. Now I'm back, and I have to tell you, with even the majority of the trees down here, it's still an amazing place to come. This time I was able to park in Site 14. 14's my lucky number, and was able to go head in first. And I was able to get a beautiful view of the lake from my rig. Also, you know, one of the things that was really interesting last time is that there were a lot of great hiking places. This time, still some good hiking places, but you can see what is going on after the Hurricane Michael recovery. Now the hiking has definitely changed since the hurricane. You can still get out here and do a lot of hiking, but the views are going to be a lot different, not as wooded and shaded, but it'll give you a whole different perspective on what has gone down here. Still some beautiful places to get out and enjoy when you're getting your hike on. So when I checked into my site, I spoke to the registration lady, and she was telling me that when the hurricane came in here back a year or so ago, it shut everything down from October until May of this year, 2019, that they were just digging out as much as they can. They still are digging out and clearing out, so a lot of contractors are here now. But it's nice to see the park back open again. I remember it 3 years ago when I came, and it was a totally different site. But now it's still beautiful, but definitely has changed. Hey, just a reminder, if you like the content that you're seeing on the channel, make sure you click and subscribe, hit that bell notification, and anytime a new video comes out, it'll alert you, and that way you'll be locked in to everything RV Jedeye. So Three Rivers State Park, again, there are 30 campsites here. You can tent camp, RV camp, and you get some great places so that you can see the lake and just be out here. No full hookups. There is a dump station and a great bathhouse up there as well. So you can come and just really enjoy yourself for a couple of days. And what a deal. For me, I think it was about 16 bucks when I was here, and this is back in September. So you can get some really good deals. Come down and really spend a long time out here. There's a boat ramp as well. You can also fish, a little dock right off the front part of the camping area, and you can go out there and fish, and a lot of people did that at night as well. And just in general, at night, some beautiful sunsets that will take your breath away. So there you have it, Three Rivers State Park in Sneads, Florida, an absolutely fantastic place to come. Hey, don't forget, you can follow me all over on social media at RVJedeye, and then of course you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV, explore, have a great time. I think you're gonna really enjoy places like this where you can just unwind.